Hey Claudia, hey Oscar, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys 3 easy ways to beat your competition online and starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, just give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay too. This is just free education. All I ask is for a couple of words of feedback as a response to this email. But without further ado, the 3 things I'm going to tell you about today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content is everything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just phrases that people search into Google to find your business, such as like fence repair, Arlington, and stuff like that. Now, you're going to want your content stuffed with things like that, like fence repair, Arlington TX, Arlington fencing, stuff like that. Google looks at authoritative websites nowadays as having 1,500 to 2,000 words on their front page. That's all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. And so if you look at your website, you do have a great looking website here with a lot of photos. I really like that. As far as content goes, Google's going to definitely want you to have more. You probably have about 500 words on this page. Google's going to want you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 to consider you an authority. If you look at your images, custom wood gate 2, that's not bad. It would rank you nationally for that, but you want to get local buyer intent keywords. So I would type in like custom wood gate Arlington or something like that, or something that has to do with where you're servicing, your DFW. Save images as swing gate 2. How about swing gate in Arlington or swing gate in Dallas or something like that? You look at your competitors. You got affordable fence. You got a bit more content than you, maybe like 500, 600 words. Not that much. You can blow them out of the water, 1,500, 2,000. And then Mark's fence repair. They don't have that much at all, but they are targeting the right keywords. Fence repair in Arlington, Texas, right? Like that's a really good keyword inside their content. So that's my first recommendation to you. Get about 1,500, 2,000 words. Now, content is king. It's not the end-all, fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. And backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest. And look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other like fencing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. And so I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So, if you look at Fence Repair Arlington TX, people who come up right away. Yelp, we don't ever count them, or HomeAdvisor, we don't count them. You got Affordable Fence Repair and Mark's Fence Repair. These guys are up on the first page, good as new fence, but I'm not seeing you anywhere on the front page. If you look at you have 10 websites linking to you with no power coming from those websites. Affordable Fence Repair only has 3 linking to them, and Mark's Fence Repair only has 8 linking to them. So they actually have less websites linking to them, but here's why that they're beating you, is because the content they have on their page. If you go to, this is all the keywords you're ranking for. If you go to Arlington, everything that includes Arlington, these are the 3 keywords you're ranking for, but you're in page 6, and page 6 on Google for all those. So you want to make sure you have that stuff inside of your content. And then when you have people link to you, use these terms as your anchor text. So like when someone has a link to you, you want them to say like fence repair Arlington TX, and they click on that and then it goes to your website. That helps you rank for those keywords because that's a lot of volume you could be bringing in. 190 searches per month just from those keywords. That's really, really valuable. The last thing I'll tell you about is going to be that's it. Last thing I'll tell you about is going to be citations. If you type in fence repair Arlington TX, someone who's looking to buy a fence right now, they're going to call the first contractor that comes up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that contractor because those people are the easiest to close. Sorry about that. Those people are the easiest to close. Now, many people skip these ads nowadays because, one, a lot of people have ad blockers, but there's also a large group of people who have had bad experiences with these ads, and so they just never click on them. So the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, HomeAdvisor. So a great strategy here is to go figure out what directories your competitors are listed in, glitch yourself in those exact same directories, and then add a bunch more on top. I always recommend 30 to 40%. That way, once you've taken that number 1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you, and you can just keep taking all those easy to close customers. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you guys found this really informative. What I went over today was backlinks. Get your website up to about 1,500, content. Get yourself up to about 1,500, 2,000 words on your front page. Backlinks, you're going to want to add on, I'd say, another 10 websites linking to you within the fencing industry, and make sure that they're pointing at your correct keywords with the correct anchor text. Like, none of these have anything to do with fencing, so you want to make sure you get some fencing companies linking to you. And then citations, Fence Repair Arlington TX, go figure out what directories your competitors are listed in, list yourself in those exact same directories, and add a bunch more on top. If you guys want to do this yourself, that's okay. Like I said, this is free education. All I ask is you give me a couple words of feedback as a response to this email to help me make these videos better in the future. And if you want me to do this for you, our website is SEO Dallas TX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. And if you're on mobile looking at our website, click this link. It goes right to our phones. Thank you guys for watching this. Have a great day.